Hello everyone. Today we will learn about never give up and boost your calculation power. So while to move you can take a pause and try to calculate variations in this position. It's one of my favorite positions. Okay, I hope you calculate it and you could enjoy. Let us try together. White to move c7 and white want to promote the queen. Rook d6. White cannot move to b7 because rook d7, and if king move to c line, black can play rook d1 and rook c1 check. So white need to move on b line, and again everything is repeat. And now after king c2 it seems black doesn't have any more rook d1, and it seems they will lose the game. But can you find something for the black now? You can take a pause. Remember, never give up. And black have here an amazing rook move, rook d4. What will happen after c8 queen? If you not yet know, you can take a pause. Yes, if white promote the queen here, it will be draw after rook c4, queen c4, that is stalemate. Very good. So, and now after rook d4, so, but another question, can white win in this situation? If you're not yet found the solution, try to think in this position more. Take a pause. Okay, white have here incredible move c8 rook, and they want to checkmate rook a8, and only one way to defend is rook a4, and now white to move. Yes, king b3 double attack, so white want to checkmate rook c1 and white want to take a rook. So white will win in this position. I hope you could enjoy this puzzle the same me. And one of the best way to improve your calculation power is pawn sending. It will improve your ability to play end games, but it also will improve your ability to calculate variations, not only in end games but everywhere in entire chess, openings, middle game, end games. So pawn sendings is very important. In this position, white to move, try to calculate variations, try to find how to play here for white. I hope you took enough time for calculations. Only if you calculate and train yourself more and more, your calculation power will grow. If you just watch these videos, you will get some ideas, but you need to calculate and analyze by yourself if you want to grow. Okay, only move for white in this position is e5. Otherwise, black can move f5, and simply there is nothing for white need to try to create distant passed pawn with h pawn, so they need to play somehow h4 g4. Yes, but right now if they play h4, black will play f5, and they will simply block g pawn. So only chance for white in this position, try to block f pawn first with move e5, and after that idea h4 g4. All another options, they will just simply lose the game. E5. Now if black move h4, there will be g3, and after h, white king easy can block g pawn, but pawn h is not easy to block. h4, h5, h6, and h7, and white will promote the queen. So in this situation, for black is better to take the pawns as queen as possible. h4 only move, otherwise white cannot create distant passed pawn. King c4, g4, and now if hg, h5, and white will promote the queen, so black need to rush to block the pawns. gh, king e5, h6, king f6, and now this white has moved h5, and the black king cannot take the pawn. And what will happen in this position? Yeah, that is Zugzwang, and now black can move their pawns, but it won't help them, because e5 or b4 maybe slightly better before, but it's not important, because simply white will take the pawns. If before e3, king c3, if e3, king d3, before king e3, b3, king d2, b2, b1, king b1, and now Zugzwang, and the black need to move their king to the side, and white simply can promote the pawn. So hope you could enjoy these endings. Keep growing in chess, develop your calculation power, and never give up, and be happy. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.